Welcome to London. It's very cold over here, but we're doing a 12-hour layover. Um, where are we heading? Wait, we're heading to South Africa. So we're here for 12 hours and it's cold, but we're going to explore the city of London and we're going to go to Buckingham Palace to go see King Charles.
What'd you get?
I got lots of chocolate from whatever this place is
Colici?
called.
Next in Green Park. Is it cold for you?
It's freezing.
Yeah, I'm that guy. When you're in London, you gotta do times to catch up.
At this
Green
place, what is this place even called?
Green Park
Let me see.
Drinkery.
Let me see the correct the sign.
Oh,
Yeah. Ooh, okay, try it.
I'm back.
Let me see inside. Wow. Okay. Why is it not focusing? There we go. Wow.
Need some hot sauce.
Where are we walking to?
We are walking to Buckingham Palace.
Mm-hmm.
Palace. So I can go see King George.
King George.
George.
Is he at home? Where's the accent?
Well, I can't come here. I'm trying to see my friend Tom Asukwa, aka
Tom?
Uncle Floaty.
Unfortunately, we didn't get to see King Charles. Apparently, he has a meeting or whatever. But it's okay. We are just here for 12 hours. We just want to explore and see the palace. Unfortunately, it was really cold and it was hard to just walk around. And Amol doesn't like it. So what can we do?
Cold.
Can't even move.
Can't even move.
It's a different type.
Oh, are you enjoying it though?
Oh yeah, that's fine.
Despite the cold, we decided to continue to do more touristy stuff. We came across it, there's a telephone booth, and of course I had to get in and pretend that I was taking a call. But when people see that you have a really nice camera, they think that you can like take good pictures, which I can. So this videographer, photographer asked me to take a picture of her and a couple of videos of her. Of course, I said yes, and I had an amazing time. And as you can see, there was a lot of people waiting in line for us to take pictures. But I enjoy taking videos and pictures, so it didn't really bother me. After all of that, I really got really hungry. Well, I'm pregnant. So we decided to go to this beautiful coffee shop that we saw on the side of that road, and we decided to get some type of food, whatever they had actually. And to me, the food was okay. It needed a little bit of salt and spices, but let's hear it from Amol. What does he think about all of this?
How was the food?
Ah, delicious.
Are you sure?
No seasoning. No seasoning.
But we ate it and then we were hungry. So this is the place.
What happens when you're traveling with a pregnant woman?
Amol, how are you trying to come at me when I'm trying to grow your baby from scratch? Anyways, the sign said look right, not left. We are in London, not America. So, hi, Big Ben.
It's still freezing and we're here. Amol is cold.
For you.
For me, I was just taking advantage.
I'm here for the good for the summer in South Africa.
Clearly, this cold stuff is not for us. First of all, we are from the sub-Saharan desert and we live in Texas, so all we know is heat. But we will continue to enjoy this 12 hours, and we actually came across a night market. Is it a night market? Whatever it is, it was beautiful. It has Christmas light and entertainment, so we really enjoyed it.
I think we will have that.
I know you're cold, but we're getting food.
Save the rest of it.
For what? For what? Okay, time. Good?
That's good. Yep.
Sing it.
What you got there? Wow.
Of course, we have to stop at the Shoom, our favorite spot when we were here in London the last time, and the food is phenomenal. I had a lot of chai tea, as you saw in the previous clip. I think I drank like 4 cups of chai that night, but the food, the Indian food, oh my goodness, it's out of this world. So the next time you are in London, check this place out. So until next time, we'll see you guys in South Africa. Bye bye.